Today, we'll talk about how to read the price. I know some of you have an extreme amount of potential, but wasting all your life with 1-minute charts. I'll help you today make much better decisions with your trading life. We will fully compare trading models today, and how to take trades depends on different time frames. We have so much to do. If you're ready, let's start. Welcome our free trading course. Our main focus is price action trading strategies and smart money concepts. If you love scalping and day trading, or maybe swing trading, and looking for special trading strategies, check out my free trading course. You can find the links on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. Okay, this magnificent 1 hour range is still in play, and there were a lot of trading opportunities for all-day traders and scalpers, even for swing traders. Let's talk about how to read prices and price movements. Notice my overall arrows on the screen. This shows how the price keeps pushing itself between range low and range high. This is how the order accumulation happens. If you remove the candlesticks, you can clearly see the overall price action. Price also deviates at range high and range low, mostly hunting open liquidity or filling imbalances. Today we will be reading the latest price action of Bitcoin and how to trade it. Let's zoom in on the 5 minutes time frame on this high deviation area and talk about possible trades. Now, this was the latest price action at the high of the range. Notice this order block, which acted as a strong demand area and kept pushing the price up. Later on, I noticed the internal liquidity, basically the inducement right at this point, but also this open liquidity below. This was all engineered price action between liquidity and imbalances. I noticed this clear imbalance above and the order block in touch. However, the more important thing was these equal highs. I call these perfect equal highs, 100% engineered by an algorithm. It cannot get better than this. Once after the internal liquidity hunt, I noticed this powerful break, strong displacement. Then price came back and tapped this imbalance before the hunt for equal highs. So I took this long trade. However, why did I do this instead of looking for a short at the range high this moment? Let's learn about double manipulation. This is the price action that happened right here. It is actually a basic double manipulated power of 3. Price first creates liquidity at key structures like order blocks. Then the manipulation happens, clearing the liquidity before the move. More importantly, we notice that perfect equal highs above with imbalance and supply area above. And price powers up here before the big fall. What is the power? Equal highs hunt, filling imbalance, tapping the order block. Let's take a closer look at the chart with a lower time frame in 3 minutes. Remember, we are in the 1 hour range high, so we are supposed to short it. Long trades are counter trades. Once we clear the liquidity and the imbalance above, we made our break downwards and make this magnificent imbalance right here with the order block in touch. This is basically a super order block in low time frames. If you use your premium and discount tool, you are also in the premium area to short it. Let's zoom out and talk more. You can notice another set of engineered liquidity below. Now let's talk about entry types. I'll show you all types of entries. Our first entry is aggressive entry. High profit with a high risk of stop loss. This is a second type of entry. Less profit, however you are having a much safer stop loss. These are your day trades with the closest target. Let's zoom out and switch back to 15-minute time frame and talk about bigger day trades or even swing trades. Since we are in the range high deviation, you can target the range EQ or range low areas. Notice this giant imbalance here as a target. This could be another set of entries for you. It all depends on your stress and patience levels. How about much larger entries, much more relaxing trades for the stressful people by using a 30-minute time frame? Notice this perfect equal lows at the range low. Magnificent target. This could be another entry for you if you do not enjoy scalping. As you can see, we used 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes time frames. You witnessed 4 different types of entry for every type of trader. I do not know your personality and emotional levels, so I cannot tell you use this one. You must test it yourself and find what suits you most. Let's talk about how to read the price by only using the imbalance and liquidity. Nothing complex, really simple technique. Once the equal lows hunted here, I started to observe the price here. Let's take a closer look. I did not take any trade here, just observing the price. This is my suggestion. Observe the price and witness the price movements by yourself. The first thing that I noticed, this large imbalance below. And this nice imbalance above also was the specific super balanced price range point. Then I just pointed out simple liquidity pools above and below. At this point, how will you predict the price movement? I said to myself, if the price moves down first, it will clear the liquidity pool and touch the imbalance, then it will go up, hunt the liquidity above, and tap the super BPR. Or it will do 100% the opposite action. Notice this, I do not predict which will happen first, but I predicted what will happen if one of those conditions happen. As you can see, first condition played nicely. This is the power of understanding liquidity and imbalance. Nothing better than this. Let's see what happens afterward. Price leaves this internal imbalance right here. Once it bounces from super BPR, it moves directly to that internal imbalance. Then it leaves another set of imbalance above. Then it moves to that imbalance and taps it, then falls. Can you see it? How price keep moving like a rubber ball between imbalances and liquidity. Can you predict the price moves better than this? Do you have any other strategy that makes you understand the price better than this? If you know one, please let me know. Okay folks, remember, you could be an amazing day trader but wasting your time with 1-minute charts. I believe that this will be really helpful in your